Here we go. Spray foam over metal. Makes an amazing roof. See how smooth that looks? Fills it right in. This is what you call spray foam over metal. Makes a beautiful, tight, seamless, energy efficient roof. Every inch of spray foam adds an R value of approximately 7. You can see how it comes out as a 2-part liquid and expands into a beautiful smooth foam roof. This is the only way to seal up an old metal roof. Completely seamless, adds R value. After the foam is on, we're going to add elastomeric base coat and then a white elastomeric top coat. Putting down the coatings, and then we back roll all the coatings. Putting down the base coat, and then on the foam roof we always back roll the base coat. Spraying it, and then base coating it. Still putting down the spray foam over here, and coating. Putting on the final white top coat. Makes for a beautiful white seamless roof. 1.5 inches of foam basically on this roof. Then we put down a base coat, and now we're putting down the final top coat.